Ever wondered what the coolest vehicles ever made are? Welcome to a journey into the realm of innovation and design, where technology meets imagination. We're about to embark on a thrilling ride through the world of the most awe-inspiring vehicles. From futuristic car concepts to mini trucks, electric prototypes, and even a gyrocopter, these aren't your average rides. The advancements in technology have truly pushed the boundaries of what's possible on wheels and in the air. Dive in with us as we explore these incredible machines. First on our list is the awe-inspiring Shane car concept. This isn't just your average vehicle, no, this is a masterpiece of engineering and design, born from the creative mind of Shane, a visionary in the automotive industry. The Shane car concept is a vehicle that looks and feels like it was plucked straight out of a science fiction novel. With its sleek lines, futuristic design, and advanced technology, the exterior's unique design is a harmonious blend of form and function, with every curve and angle meticulously crafted to optimize aerodynamics. It's a vehicle that doesn't just turn heads, it makes jaws drop. But the Shane car concept is more than just a pretty face, it's also a powerhouse of technology. From the moment you step inside, you're greeted by a fully digital cockpit that feels like a command center. The dashboard is a vibrant display of information and controls, all designed to make the driving experience as intuitive and enjoyable as possible. And let's not forget about the power under the hood. The Shane car concept is designed with an advanced electric drivetrain, offering silent, smooth, and powerful acceleration. With its high-capacity battery, it promises a range that rivals even the best electric vehicles on the market today. But what truly sets the Shane car concept apart is its commitment to sustainability. Every aspect of this vehicle, from its zero-emission drivetrain to its use of recycled materials, is designed with the future of our planet in mind. And if all that wasn't enough, the Shane car concept also boasts a suite of autonomous driving features. Imagine cruising down the highway hands-free as your vehicle handles all the hard work for you. It's not just a car, it's a revolution on wheels. The Shane car concept is more than just a concept, it's a vision of what the future of transportation could look like. It's a vehicle that pushes the boundaries of what's possible, challenging our perceptions of what a car can be. The Shane car concept truly is a glimpse into the future of transportation. Next up we have the robust and powerful Scania S730 mini truck. Let's dive into the world of compact yet mighty vehicles, where the Scania S730 mini truck stands tall. With its unmatched performance and advanced features, this mini truck certainly knows how to leave an impression. This Swedish beast, brought to us by Scania, a world-renowned manufacturer of commercial vehicles, is an embodiment of strength and sophistication, delivering a whopping 730 horsepower. This makes the S730 mini truck one of the most powerful in its class. Its torque output is impressive as well, ensuring that the vehicle can tackle any task, whether it's hauling heavy loads or cruising down the highway. But power and performance aren't the only things that make this mini truck stand out. The S730 comes with a host of advanced features that make it a remarkable piece of machinery. It's equipped with an advanced braking system that ensures safety even when the vehicle is loaded to capacity. Its fuel-efficient engine ensures that you get more miles for your buck, and its driver-focused design makes for a comfortable and enjoyable driving experience. One of the key benefits of the Scania S730 mini truck is its compact size. Don't let its small stature fool you though. This vehicle is designed to maximize space and efficiency. Its compact size doesn't compromise its load capacity. Third on our list is the eco-friendly and innovative Daymak Spiritus Prototype. Step into the future with the Daymak Spiritus Prototype, a vehicle that is not just a car, but a revolution in sustainable transportation. This three-wheel, two-seater electric car is a testament to the power of green technology, boasting a zero-emission drive and a unique design that turns heads wherever it goes. The Spiritus Prototype is no slouch when it comes to performance. With its all-electric powertrain, it can hit 60 miles per hour in just under 2 seconds. That's faster than most high-performance sports cars on the market today. Plus, with a range of up to 300 miles on a single charge, the Spiritus Prototype offers both speed and endurance. But the Spiritus Prototype isn't just about performance, it's about innovation. Behind its sleek and futuristic exterior lies a host of cutting-edge features that make driving not just a chore, but a pleasure. It's equipped with solar panels that charge the battery, extending its range and reducing the need for plug-in charging. It also features an AI voice assistant to help with navigation, entertainment, and more. The Spiritus prototype is also designed with the environment in mind. Its electric powertrain produces zero emissions, making it a clean and green alternative to traditional gas-powered vehicles. In addition, its use of renewable energy sources like solar power makes it a truly sustainable mode of transportation. But perhaps the most exciting feature of the Spiritus prototype is its potential for autonomous driving. With its advanced sensor suite and AI capabilities, it's designed to navigate the roads with minimal human intervention. While it's not fully autonomous yet, the groundwork has been laid and the future looks bright. In a world where sustainability is no longer a luxury but a necessity, the Daymak Spiritus prototype is leading the charge. It's more than just a car. It's a vision of what the future of transportation could be: cleaner, greener, and smarter. The Daymak Spiritus prototype, a testament to the future of green transportation. Coming up next, we have the high-flying AutoGyro GyroMotion. Picture this: a vehicle that seamlessly merges the convenience of a car with the unbridled freedom of a helicopter. That's exactly what you get with the AutoGyro GyroMotion. This isn't just another vehicle, no, it's a revolution in personal transportation, taking us quite literally to new heights. The AutoGyro GyroMotion is an autogyro, a type of rotorcraft that uses an unpowered rotor in auto rotation to develop lift, and an engine-powered propeller, similar to that of a fixed-wing aircraft, to provide thrust. This unique blend of technologies allows for some truly remarkable flying capabilities. With the AutoGyro GyroMotion, you can take off and land in incredibly small spaces, making it perfect for everyday use. But it's not just about convenience. The AutoGyro GyroMotion is also about performance. Powered by an advanced engine, this vehicle can reach impressive speeds while maintaining excellent fuel efficiency. And thanks to its state-of-the-art control systems, it offers an incredibly smooth and responsive ride. The design of the AutoGyro GyroMotion is another area where it truly shines. Its sleek, modern aesthetics are more than just eye-catching, they're also functional, contributing to the vehicle's aerodynamic efficiency. The interior, too, is designed with comfort and convenience in mind, with plenty of space and a host of high-tech features. But perhaps the most exciting thing about the AutoGyro GyroMotion is the potential it holds for the future of transportation. Imagine a world where we can bypass traffic entirely, taking to the skies whenever we please. That's the world that the AutoGyro GyroMotion is helping to create. In conclusion, the AutoGyro GyroMotion is more than just a vehicle, it's a glimpse into the future of transportation. With its unique flying capabilities, advanced technology, and sleek design, it's truly revolutionizing the way we travel. The AutoGyro GyroMotion taking transportation to new heights. Last but not least, we have the sleek and stylish Icon A5. This is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. It's a blend of sophisticated design and high performance that sets a new standard in the world of personal aviation. The Icon A5 is a sight to behold, with its streamlined form and clean lines. But it's more than just a pretty face. It's a two-seater amphibious light sport aircraft designed for the adventurous spirit. With its foldable wings, it can easily be stored in your garage, ready for the next adventure. Under the hood, the Icon A5 boasts a Rotax 912 IS sport engine, providing impressive power and efficiency. This aircraft can reach speeds of up to 110 miles per hour, and it's designed to be incredibly easy to fly, even for novice pilots. But what really sets the Icon A5 apart is its impact on personal aviation. It has redefined what it means to fly, making aviation more accessible and enjoyable than ever before. The Icon A5, revolutionizing personal aviation one flight at a time. So there you have it. The Shane Car Concepts' innovative design, the Scania S730's compact yet powerful build, the Daymak Spiritus Prototype's eco-friendly credentials, the AutoGyro GyroMotion's flight capabilities, and the Icon A5's blend of air and water travel. Each vehicle showcases unique qualities and advancements, representing a leap forward in their respective fields. These are the coolest vehicles ever made, pushing the boundaries of technology and design. Tune in next time for more fascinating insights.